In this video you're going to see how I managed to cross-sell additional service and charge 5,000 per month. I sold lead nurturing and lead qualification. Watch how I did it. I think we can start because we have quite a lot of things to discuss. And
yes, and I don't know, I meet with Paul.
So we started email campaigns but didn't get many responses. So the question is, tell me exactly what tell us exactly what you can do, how many emails you can get out, what you think the response will be. Okay?
Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you now. So let me share my screen now. Can you see this?
Yep.
Yeah, so main thing for my proposal is not just sending emails for you. The goal is, the best would be for me that I will be able to qualify and schedule meeting for you. And this is presentation about how I plan to do. So challenges, I see that, as you said, how can we send as many emails as possible and how can we scale it? Also, another question is how to avoid working with bad leads. With bad leads, I mean not qualified. And third is, when lead is kind of qualified, we would like to work with them, but they're not ready to sell yet. So they want to do this in 9 months, 10, So we have to automatically follow up with them and kind of take care. This is biggest 3 challenges. So solution I kind of have. So the problem. So first is that we have to purchase domains. What is the problem? As you said, that you don't have a high response rate. So the reason is that you're probably sending so much emails at once, plus you're probably doing it from one domain. Am I right?
But we separated some domains, but we're still not getting call to action and response.
I see. Yes. So it's very good that you have different domains.
Yep.
Question is, did you have a time to warm up them?
What?
To warm them up.
To warm domains, yeah.
Warm the domains up? No, we wouldn't even know how to do that.
So that's the thing, because of Google, like the kind of tracker, see that domains was created from fresh one, and it starts spamming a lot of people, it will not succeed. So after we create, we have to warm up. It means that we are going to send emails out, receive emails with normal traffic. Then we are going to integrate AI to qualification. How are we gonna do this? I wanna show you your website. I assume that you're using this website to send traffic to. Am I right?
Yes, correct. That's Chime. Yeah.
So I see 2 things that could be improved. First is that here there is just one field about entering your street.
There could be a ton of improved on this website. I built this website and Justin's never touched it.
Yes. So the thing is that I can also help you to improve or build a website from scratch. It pretty fast. So 2 things here is that you will also have to take care about this chatbot, because the issue with this chatbot is that it talks about everything to everyone. It suggests to buy, to sell, to search properties. This is not good because when we show more than one choice, people doesn't consider to buy.
So I have a question.
Yes.
So you're saying that you can send out like 10,000 emails a week. Where do you get all of the data from?
That's the thing. I am expecting that you will share the emails list for me.
Yeah.
That's
fine.
that's only one thing, like kind of what I need from you, because yeah.
I've been told we have about 100,000 emails.
Yes, you did.
On one of our drives.
You did.
We get them from a software program called Remind, and then what we do is we'll ask for like them all in one town or something like that. You go into OneDrive?
Gotcha.
We're gonna look and see how many we have right now.
It's not a problem. Actually, we can scale limitless, honestly. So the only one thing what will limit us is leads from your side. How we gonna scale the outreach? Actually, we will just purchase new domains.
Hold on. Hey, Sviat, we're gonna go outside because we can hear better.
I don't know why. There we go.
It's same here, and it's so cold.
Oh, it's so cold there. Yeah, not here yet. You can see, look at our,
I see
is
this.
that fall there?
Oh, it's nice here
See
today.
our fall leaves?
Are you that cold, Sviat?
We have 4 degrees outside. It's
Oh,
so
really?
cold.
Let's go to. All right. So let me ask you this. Now I can hear better. I mean, do you think 10,000 a week is enough? When I look at the stats, I thought maybe I'd have to do more than 10,000 a week.
If you can provide me more emails, I can send more.
I know, but do you think I will get enough response?
Yes. So the reason, the critical, huge reason why you're not getting a response is that you didn't warm up, and I'm pretty sure that most of the emails go just to spam, and that's not good.
Yeah.
Most of the emails go, yeah.
Oh, and are you doing this for anybody else? And do you know like the response rate or anything?
Yeah, response rate is various, but open rate. So open rate is more or less similar for industry, and you should expect 60% plus open rate. Everything what's below, it's like not okay.
You mean 6%?
60 open rate.
60%.
What's that mean? They
People
get.
open it.
Oh, really? 60 open? But I was thinking like the people that after they open it and they come to, that's pretty huge. And it comes to fruition maybe 3% or something. I don't know. But
You have
60%,
3%
that
of
makes me
open
warm
rate.
up. Yeah, no, 3% reply. 1 to 3% reply.
How many do you have for open rate right now?
Well, we're sending out maybe 20,000 every 3 weeks, but we're just starting and we're not experts. So I'm very interested in pursuing this with you.
Yeah. So again, how do we do this? We have A/B test, and we create depends on the offer between 4 and 10 tests, and in the same time, we have 10,000 emails per week, and we split them in equal parts. And after first month, we see which of the email performs the best. After we see clear winner, so we actually tracking and optimizing the outreach for first 2 months. After this, we just double down on the clear winner, so you have improving replies.
Okay.
Let me ask the question, what is call to action? Like, what do you say to do in the email right now?
I could send you one we have another company called Westchester Modular.
Yeah, that one.
And they're using, so we hired this company just to test 3,000. And I could send you the call to action. We just doing 3,000 emails there. It's kind of like, but I could send it to you.
I
I'll
understand.
email it to you.
So
I'll email it to you.
the thing is, I just always try to make it clear for our clients that you just like you don't need more leads, you need more kind of sales, you need more qualified leads. So and that's why we kind of try to help with not only outreaching system but also with kind of automizing stuff, because for example here here when lead gets captured, you don't have any information about this, like what does it give you about the home when you just know their street. So and I want to tell you that we probably need to change this to capture more information from the lead, so our system can kind of score this lead, and then if it qualified enough, then we will give this lead for you, so your team will be focused on the like more better leads. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yes. No, I know you mean qualified leads.
Yes. And for this website, I would do both. I would change the form here and chatbot here, because you know some people prefer to work with forms, some people prefer with chatbots. Okay. Moving forward. Yes, and as I said, nurturing. How do you do this? Do you do this somehow right now? What do you do with leads that like
once they're qualified or they come in, they go. We have a person in our company that would give them out to agents.
Mm-hmm.
If it's qualified, we're pretty good. I mean, we have I don't know, 40 agents to call on. Not a big company, but we have 40 agents that could go out. And we can go anywhere in New York, Connecticut, or Massachusetts, really. But we primarily do Connecticut. But Massachusetts and Boston, we'd refer it to somebody.
What does it mean, qualified lead, for you?
Somebody that, okay, that's a great question. To me, a qualified lead is somebody that is thinking of buying or selling, but it doesn't have to be that they're absolutely putting it on the market. I mean, I think that it's up to us to sell them on the fact that why they may want to sell or not sell. So it's somebody that has a real estate need. That's qualified lead. What's your idea of qualified lead?
Yeah, it's somebody who's basically at a point where they're raising their hand and saying, whether in the next month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, but I need to do, basically, I have a real estate problem that I need solved. So be it whether they need to upgrade, downgrade, upsize, downsize, they're moving for a job, relocating, their family's getting bigger, whatever it is,
I see.
that within the next 9 months to a year, they have a need for some sort of real estate need.
Yeah, what's your definition?
Same, but actually I was thinking about 6 months, but maybe 9 months is more realistic. So the thing, but not only.
If it's 6 months, you would call it a hot lead.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
If it's longer than that, you categorize it as like a warm lead.
Yes.
And then if it's longer than 9 months, you consider them a nurture.
Gotcha. Do you have any?
Continue to nurture.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any like lower bar of saying that this lead is qualified? I mean, how big is property, or how, I don't know, how many districts? I don't know, something like this. So.
Well, I mean, like if they're looking to buy, like a pre-approval, like have they already been approved for a mortgage?
You know, Sviat, it's kind of interesting in the United States right now. being that there's a lot of people that want to buy, but interest rates are at 7.5%. So I don't know what you call that if somebody wants to buy, but they can't afford to buy. And the other thing is we have no inventory. So she just went to the bathroom. So if there's somebody that wants to sell a house, that's a great lead. Oops.
Mhm. Okay, so as I understand that you kind of sending emails which says, hey, if you wanna buy or sell or upgrade, let us know. Or
I think sell. We just want sellers, I think. I mean, buyers, they're out of the woodwork. I mean, I can get a buyer just by walking down the street because they can't. There's no houses for sale here. Do you follow me? The inventory is very low. So what we want to say is, hey, we have buyers. Are you interested in selling your home?
okay,
To that point.
I understood. Okay, okay,
So,
because here it's clearly okay.
so Sviat, is this your company?
Yes.
It's the partners. Yeah,
You
partner.
partners?
Yeah.
I'm assuming, yeah. Can you talk to us about pricing a little bit?
Yes. So here, as I said, we are managing leads, not just sending out, but we also sending the
Yep.
capturing and qualifying this.
Connect the domains to the Google Workspace.
Right. So
Okay.
here, this is what we gonna do as a first step. I probably I would say, I know that you bought new domains, but as you said that you don't have big response rate and open rate probably, and you didn't warm up. Probably it's good to buy new domains and set up them correctly. And we will purchase something like, as you see in the example, try Scalzo or similar. They don't cost so much. It should cost some couple of bucks.
Yeah.
I will connect to I spelled it twice, sorry for this. I will connect to Google Workspace. Why Google Workspace? Because this is the top of the deliverability. So if your domain is connected,
SEO, right?
no, it's with Google Space you can by default, without any extra configuration, just by default you can send more leads, more cold emails rather than just some, I don't know, something else. And last very important thing, that we have to point all of these domains to Scalzo. What does it mean? That when someone Googles for taste scalzo.com, it has to redirect to Scalzo, so lead will understand that this is legit. Is it clear?
Yeah, I think. You mean what you're doing? Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
and next part, what I would like to offer you is that I will fix a landing page for you, or we'll create it from scratch. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Both would be for me the same. I will add some qualification question to chatbot and to form, and I will configure automation on my side for nurturing and for follow-up. What it means that when someone fills the form, he gets email in the first 10 minutes. So it's very important to catch them right after. And then we will do on our side that we will qualify them, and then if it's good, then we send to your sales team, and then you get it to work. Does it
Okay.
sound interesting for you?
Yep.
Great. So here the roadmap. First month is for free. So we see here that buying, configuring inboxes, warm up, prepare automation. Why this is for free? Because warming up takes between 2 and 4 weeks. So we cannot charge anything from you because you don't get any value. So that's why I said that I will do this for you for free. Then we would agree that fixing landing page, and we will start with low load of outreach. So we will optimize campaign and we will see which subjects works the best, which call to action works the best. And then on the third month, between third and fourth, we will see clear winner, and then we are double down on the highest, on the clear winner. This is my plan. This is how I see it. This is how we deliver.
Do you have any other real estate companies, Sviat, that you do?
You mean my own?
And, no, do you have any other real estate
Yes.
companies that are...
Yes,
that are...
we are working currently with, I can say about them, Blog Reality from North Carolina. Do you know about them?
Where are they located?
North Carolina?
North Carolina. Yeah.
Carolina.
Yep.
Blog Reality.
Yep.
Yeah, we're
Good.
currently working with them. Yeah.
And how long have you been working with them?
3 months, and we are going to
Good.
yeah.
Are they big or small? I don't know the firm. Are they bigger than us? Probably.
No, they are not bigger than you.
Okay. All right.
The
Just wondering.
the one thing that I wanted to add to the blog company, that we already know about their leads and about their audience, and I'm about to offer paid ads. What does it mean? So actually I will configure Facebook ads for you. Why it's on the 6 months? Because I will learn about
Oh, good.
your...
So you can do some of our social media. So are you saying some of our social media you can do?
Yes.
That's what it's talking about? I like that. Okay, good. All right.
So about the return on, they've obviously been happy with their return with you, their return on investment, I guess I should say. Have they been able to quantify the amount of conversions?
Can you repeat, because I think you got luck.
Yeah, so have they been able to give you the data on how many of their leads have converted into actual clients?
Can
I share data from where?
From the company in North Carolina?
Have they gotten any clients out of it? I mean, no closing.
Yes, they have it. I will share it to you. I don't have it now. But again, I don't do paid ads yet for them. I'm about to offer because I start understanding their audience, and I will do this for them.
And it takes some time. It definitely takes some time.
As I showed you, it took for me 4 months just to understand. Okay, this one would be best, and I will double down.
Yep. Okay, so what is on that roadmap that you showed us? What is the pricing?
Pricing. Okay, so we are not talking about ads. We are talking only about I will set up the all outreach system. I will fix landing page, and I will kind of optimize outreach, and I will automate all of this, so follow-ups and so on. This will cost $5,000 per month.
Okay.
Plus $4 on the every lead, qualified lead that is ready to schedule a meeting with you.
Okay, so I'm sorry, there was a motorcycle that drove by. So we heard 5,000 a month, and then plus every what?
Qualified leads that are ready to schedule a meeting with you.
Yup. is an additional amount?
Additionally, $4 per each.
Oh, $4. Okay. Okay. But you guys vet them before they set up the meeting with us.
Can you repeat? You're losing connection probably.
I know, sorry. You guys would vet them before they set up that meeting with us, though, right?
Yes, I will. Yeah, we will, as I said, we will fix the website and we will do qualification on our side. So we will automate
Right.
everything, and then when we see, okay, this one is qualified, I will agree with you. What do you think is qualified? Because as we saw that qualification,
Yep.
and then
So let me make sure I understand. It's $5,000 per month, right?
Mhm.
American dollars, and then $4 per lead. Is that what you said?
For a qualified lead that's ready to make an appointment with us. So not just meaning that they're clicking on the link and like coming in. It's meaning that like
Alright.
you guys have warmed them up, right? And made sure that they really are.
So
Yeah.
Sviat, if that's too expensive for us, do you negotiate it all?
we can negotiate, but then
Well, the
I
only
would.
reason why I tell you is because it would be too expensive for us at $5,000 a month. It would be.
Yes.
And I just thought I'd be honest and say it to you because I like you, and if we can work out something, I'd like to do it.
Mhm.
And I think that you're smart and well qualified, and I think you get it.
Thanks.
A lot of people don't get it. What I want to do. I mean, you can't believe the frustrations I've been through, but I think you get it. Let us take it back and figure out what we can do internally, and then we'll come back to you. I'd really like to hire you. I just got to see if I can get there.
Okay,
Right.
how about this? How much time do you need to discuss this internally?
I don't know.
Give us today's Thursday.
Yeah, but
We meet.
We meet Tuesday at 12.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then me and him meet on Thursdays. So, maybe next Thursday,
The same time.
the same time,
Okay.
do a call with you. And in the meantime, I'll email you with any additional questions that we
Sure.
have. One of the questions I do have that I can think of right now, though, is so I understand when you're first starting to work with us and starting and getting everything up and running and optimized correctly and kind of building the templates and such for the emails and the landing pages and all of that, that is definitely a lot of time. And so that $5,000 a month, does that remain the same though, even once you have it kind of working like a well-oiled machine?
I will get back again to the roadmap.
Yep.
Here, first month is free. So because of all of this configuration.
Oh, I didn't realize month 2 and the M
Yes.
stood for month 2 and 3.
Yes.
Oh,
So how it will work actually? We will agree, yeah, we work, everything is fine. Then I will start setting everything, warming up everything. And when it will be done, warm it up, everything will be fine. Then I call you, hi guys, ready to go? Should we go? You say yes, we go. And then from after I start the campaign, the second month is starting. Because the biggest time it will take just to warm up.
yes.
Domains. It just
Yep.
takes forever.
Yeah.
Usually it takes for us between 2 or 4 weeks.
Okay.
My mouse doesn't work.
Yeah.
Yes. Hope it's clear and fair.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, no, we definitely appreciate this. We'll talk and then I'll send you an email with any other follow-up questions that we have, and then we'll plan for next Thursday.
Sure. And last question I have for you is, I just want you to be honest with me that, do you like this offer? If you don't, just tell me and I will not
Well, I like you. I just thought, I'm not sure if the price will work for us, but we'll come back to you and tell you what will. I mean, I don't want to be, I think that you get it. And I'll be honest, the people I've talked to, it's been a huge learning curve. I get frustrated in meetings, and I just need this thing to take off. And I do believe this. We have 3 points in our company. One, we do podcasts and reels. Two, we do emails, which is the second thing. And 3, we do social media. If you can handle the social media and the emails, that'd be great off my plate. And then we have one guy doing reels.
Love it. Great.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Then we'll send you the invite on next Thursday, same time.
Sounds good. Okay.
Sounds good. Thanks,
Thank you.
Sviat.